this is a significant milestone for University of Jamara in the sense that we are now making our presence in the Middle East. So this will be the first franchise programs of UiTM that will be offered in the Middle East through this collaboration with Qaiwan International University. So we are very thankful and grateful to Qaiwan International University for agreeing to work with us. This is of course in line with the UiTM strategic plan in order to become a globally renowned university. Initially 5 programs will be offered early next year in Qaiwan International University. That is Bachelor of Dental Surgery, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Nursing, Bachelor of Optometry, and Bachelor of Medical Imaging. So these are the 5 programs, and later on it will be followed by a number of postgraduate programs in engineering, computer science, and management. We hope this will pave way for more offering of academic programs in the Middle East through Qaiwan International University in the near future.
I believe this will be a very good start for us to not only embark in the 5 programs, especially in medical area, but also in the area whereby we will eventually embark in the consultation and training in a lot of areas. And I believe that the collaboration between the UiTM, which is the strongest and biggest university in the country, in Malaysia, and also Kurdistan regional government, will be of great help to the nation.